These are teeth from an alligator, with one exception. This is a claw. These are claws. And this alligator was hit on the side of the road, and Bradford decided to weirdly take all of the teeth. We are going to make a simple pendant with these 2-inch teeth, also 5.5 centimeters. With this claw, we are going to encapsulate them in this box with resin. These teeth and claw are filled with hot glue to try to eliminate any extra bubbles that could occur in the resin. So, we are securing these guys down to soon bathe them in a liquidy bath of encapsulation. In this process, if you don't already know, heat removes bubbles. And we're removing those bubbles, people. Now it's time for the reveal. And the box has worked. It just won't ever work again. Let's start working this piece. You're getting very sleepy, humans. And you soon fear this is the coolest pendant you've ever seen. Nothing special, but definitely fun. And let me tell you, when I go out dancing, and I dance, people, things you've never seen before, somebody's gonna say, "Hey, Rob, where'd you get those?" And I'll tell them, I wrestled an alligator and yanked those teeth straight out of its head, as well as 2 claws, one of which I used to pick my teeth of alligator meat with some Chianti. So, we all know that's not the truth, but that's my dancing story, because it puts a little hop in my step, and then my hair bounces. So, we will see you on the we will see you here in the studio. Hello. These are here to entice you to rub your little finger over them. And if you do like them, how about punching that guy in the face? And we'll see you in the studio.